Hi children, good morning to everyone. Here, the same lesson you know already, 7th class civics, 3rd lesson, how the state government works. In that, now we will discuss about module 4, right? Already we discussed in the previous class module 3, right? So in that, what we discussed in the module 3? Yes, there is an assembly. Students went to assembly to watch the debate and discussion between the opposition and ruling party, right? We gave information about the six assembly members, right? Some are from ruling party, some are from opposition party. About Patalpuram problems they discussed. Okay, what kind of problems are facing by the people in the Patalpuram, and one more area, Tolpatti, right? So in the two areas, the problems faced by the people. They discussed about the problems, and at the same time, ruling party gave answers for their questions. Okay, what problems people are facing, that thing said by the opposition party, and why people are in that situation, and immediately the ruling party people gave the answer for them for their questions. Okay, what kind of facilities provided by the government for their problems, right? So in that way, here we discussed in the module 3. Okay, so actually what are the problems faced by the people in Patalpuram, right? So for their problems, how government acted, what are the actions taken by the government, right? So that things now we will discuss in the module 4. Okay, so that is the working of the government. Okay, so in that, actually here in that debate and discussion, after completion of that assembly members debate and discussion, what they decided, will they work on that? Actually we don't have information in that module, right? Just their discussion we gave. Okay, they questioned, so many people are facing problems in Patalpuram, and so many deaths happened through diarrhea, right? Because of their sanitation facilities are not good. They don't have proper drinking water facility, right? And they don't have proper sufficient doctors in the hospitals, sufficient medical workers in the hospitals, right? Like that they gave problems. They said about the problems. Okay, so these are the problems. And one more area, Tolpatti, also they said about the same problems. Even women are traveling 3-4 kilometers to collect the drinking water, right? And they don't have proper water facility. And next, there also proper sanitary facilities are not there, right? And there also people are suffering with the diarrhea. Okay, so these are the problems in their societies. People are struggling with that kind of issues. Okay, so for that, how government reacted, how government worked on that, what is the reaction of the government, what are the actions taken by the government in that proper issue, particular issue. Okay, so that now we will discuss here, right? So in that, actually for their problems, immediately ruling party people answered. Okay, we appointed so many doctors in the hospitals, and we distributed ORS sachets to the families, right, who are suffering with diarrhea, and we provided proper sanitary facilities over there, right? So like that, ruling party people answered for the opposition party members. Okay, but actually what happened after that discussion, they conducted one press conference. Actually everywhere, any state assembly, that assembly members participation is not only for raising their expressions, not only expressing their views. Okay, the problem completely, they go with thoroughly that problem, and they will involve in that action also. Okay, this will happen each and every state. Okay, means to raise their voice in the assembly, that is not the end. Okay, after that also they need to involve in that issue, they need to work out on that, right? They need to go to the people, they need to observe thoroughly the problems faced by the people, and then they have to take the sufficient action. right? So that is the procedure here. Okay, so let me show some slides about that. Okay, so children, see the slides once. Here in this slide we can see the problems faced by the people in Patalpuram and Tolpatti, right? So the problems are diarrhea, shortage of water, lack of doctors and health workers, and poor facilities in hospitals. And next, here we can see children are suffering with diarrhea, right? And next, shortage of water, how people are bringing water in cans and buckets from long distances, we can see in this slide, right? Next, here also the ladies are bringing water from long distances. Actually now also in so many remote areas we can see ladies are traveling 3 to 4 kilometers to collect the water, right? And next, here poor facilities in the hospitals. Okay, they don't have proper beds, sufficient beds, and they don't have proper medication, proper treatment, right? In this slide we can see how people are struggling, how patients are struggling in the hospital, right? So here facilities provided by the government. Okay, here we can see doctors are giving treatment to the patient. Okay, they are checking his x-ray or scanning report, right? So we can see in this slide. And next, here also with all the facilities, actually here a patient is in ventilation, right? We can see. So like that government provided all the facilities to the people. Okay, and next, here also water facility, government is bringing water tankers to all the areas to distribute the water to the people who are suffering with the water shortage, right? And here we can see actually this is a school building. They provided proper drinking water and at the same time sanitary facilities, toilets also we can see here for the children, right? In government schools, so many areas they took all these kind of provisions to the people and at the same time school children also. Okay, and here they distributed the ORS packets to the families who are struggling with the diarrhea. Okay, so this is means ORS packets are distributed by the government in the government hospitals to the children and their family members also. Okay, and here children, you can see in this slide, people are organizing meetings to voice their opinion and protest against the government. Okay, they can conduct rallies. Okay, they can do dharnas. Means this is also one of the way to express their views to the government. Okay, not only their views, their problems, whatever they are struggling in their area, whatever the problems they are facing in the society, that all the problems people have a right to express their views, right? So they have so many ways to express their views to the government. So here we can see in these two slides, people are conducting dharnas, right? They are doing rasta rokos. Okay, with the placards they want to give the information to the government. Okay, so children, I hope you understand, right? Means what are the problems faced by the people and at the same time what facilities provided by the government. Okay, and the last two slides about the people, how they use it to express their views to the government. Okay, so like this we can see, means here government is providing facilities, but the facilities are not at all reaching to all the people, to all the areas. Okay, that thing we need to identify. Always we no need to blame the government. Okay, means government also providing so many facilities, government also putting their efforts to solve the problems in the society. But even though our country is a vast country, we have more population in our country, so based on that reasons some sort of small problems will raise in some areas, right? So we need to understand that. Here actually coming to the government, after discussion, after they debate, what happened, I asked, no, let me tell you. Here actually, after completion of their discussion about the problems, they conducted a press conference. Okay, means to give information to the public. And for the press conference, from all the newspapers, from all the TV channels, each and every representative came to take the information. Okay, so and for that press conference also, all the ministers, health minister, including chief minister, all ministers were included in that press conference, and they gave their information, their views to the public. Okay, and after that they visited the affected areas, right? They visited affected areas, then and they spoke with the people over there who are suffering with diarrhea, and hospitals also they went. They distributed ORS packets to the people, and at the same time, who lost their, actually in that Patalpuram 15 deaths are happened. Okay, so based on that, who lost their relatives, for their families, they announced some compensation also. Okay, like that government took the actions. This is not only Patalpuram. Okay, coming to everywhere, every state, this is the thing will happen, right? Means government will involve in the problem. First, they will discuss about the problem, including ruling party and opposition party, and after that they will conduct a press conference, and after that they will give their views to the people through media. Here media is the mediator, acting as a main role in between the people and the government. So that is the best way to express their views to the people. And at the same time, for people also, this is the best way to express their views to the government, what is happening exactly, right? They can give their information, they can give information about their problems, what kind of problems they are struggling in the society, right? How government officers are reacting on that, how government is taking actions, and government schemes and government facilities fruitfully reaching the people or not. Even that kind of information also we can get through the media, right? So this is what happened after the discussion in the assembly. Okay, so next coming to the people, means next week also, after the debate happened, after the press conference, all these things happened again, government wants to take necessary actions in their areas. Okay, here government duty is not completed. Okay, because they provided facilities, they announced compensation to the people who lost their relatives, right? And government distributed ORS packets, government appointed doctors in the hospitals, right? But even though government duty is not at all completed, okay, government has to provide more facilities. Even in that area, sanitary facilities are important. Okay, their surroundings are not clean, and they don't have proper drinking water facility, right? So, and for these problems also they need to work out, right? They need to provide some funds to that areas to solve this kind of problems, sanitary problems, drinking water facility, right? Cleaning, on these all the issues they need to concentrate, and they need to solve this kind of problems also. Then only people will be healthy. Okay, so after that government also decided to solve that problems, to concentrate on that issues. Okay, and government sent so many water tankers to that areas who are suffering with water shortage, right? And next they provided sanitary facilities, and they concentrated the cleanings of the surroundings, right? So all these problems, all these measures taken by the government. Okay, so this is coming to the all the states, not only in Patalpuram, not only in Tolpatti. Okay, not only belongs to some areas. This is belongs to all the areas which are in India. Okay, coming to the all the states, we have different languages, we have different states, different areas, and people are struggling with different kinds of problems. In some areas transportation is not good, in some areas drinking water facility is not good, right? In some areas health facilities is not good, right? So like that government has to concentrate. Okay, and means here what I'm trying to tell you is, whoever the MLAs are there, that area MLAs has to concentrate on that area's problems. Okay, what are the problems faced by the people? they should concentrate, they should observe, and they should raise voice in the assembly. Then only government can take the proper action to the people. Right? So, children, I hope you understand the concept. Okay, children. Once I will give you recap. Here, from these four modules, we discussed about how the state government works. Right? So, how people elect their leaders, how people elect their representatives to raise their problems in the society. Right? Means here, our country is a democratic country. Right? As per our universal adult franchise, each and every person have a right to vote, and they can elect their leaders as per their own choice. Right? So here the government is for the people. Okay, they need to raise our problems, they need to solve our problems. Right? So here in these four modules also we discussed how they govern, how they work, how they will work in the society, how they will raise their problems in the assembly. Right? Here we have in assembly also ruling party is there, and at the same time opposition party also will be there to raise questions about the people. Okay, and ruling party is there to solve our problems. What are the problems are there, to discuss on that problems, to solve their problems. For that we are electing our leaders, we are electing our representatives. Right? Government is there to serve to the people. Okay, so children, here what I am trying to tell you is government is fulfilling their responsibilities, because our country is a vast country. We have more population, more than 130 crores population we have in our country. Right? So this is somewhat difficult to concentrate all the areas at a time. Okay, of course we have divisions, we have separate states, separate districts, separate mandals, separate villages. Right? For everywhere we have sufficient proper management, proper hierarchy of positions we have. But even though it is somewhat difficult to concentrate all the problems. Right? So in that way here means some areas are having different problems for transportation wise. Right? And in some areas they don't have proper health facilities, and in some areas they don't have proper drinking water facility. Right? Like that people are facing different kinds of problems. So children, in that way here for every time we are discussing about the government has to do this facility, government has to work on this issue, government has to provide that facility. Right? Government has to solve this problem, like that we are thinking. But even though we have some responsibility as a citizen of India, right, because we are enjoying our fundamental rights, even though we need to fulfill some responsibilities. Right? So on that way we need to concentrate on our surroundings cleanliness. Okay, we need to take care of our areas, we need to initiate sometimes. Okay, every time this is not good to blame always government. Right? So we are also part and parcel in the society. Okay, we have some responsibilities, and that also we need to fulfill. Okay, so children, I hope you understand the topic. Right? So everyone need to initiate, and everyone need to concentrate in their areas, and always of course if there is any major issues are there, government has to take care on that. We have a proper government, that's why we are selecting our representatives, that's why we are casting our vote in elections. Okay children, I hope you understand the lesson, right? How the state government works. Okay, so we'll meet you in the next lesson.